Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to my Facebook Live. Today is day 27 and today is Monday. Okay, so as you know, we were talking about the steps for money manifestation. So, yesterday we discussed about step 3. So, did you try that? Step 3, did you do the exercises, little exercises? So if you haven't done, please try that, please do that and see how it feels. Okay. So today is step 4. Okay, what is step 4? Step 4 is to step outside the box. So you might have heard about this phrase, stepping outside the box. What does it mean? It means that to go outside of your comfort zone. You may be knowing that you have to take some risk, and to achieve more and achieve big, you need to step outside this comfort zone, your comfort zone. Then only you can explore more and more opportunities and achieve more in your life. Okay, and why you have to step outside the box? You may say, oh, I am comfortable here, I'm okay, whatever I'm having, I'm satisfied. If that is you, it's okay, no need to step outside the box. But some of you may want to achieve more. For example, achieve more money and manifest more money, right? So in that case, you have to take this step, stepping outside the box or stepping outside the comfort zone. So why you have to step outside the comfort zone? Have you seen many people, majority people, we can call them as crowd? Yeah, what do they say? Okay, they want to reach somewhere. Okay, so most of them, they are not happy. Whatever may be the definition of happy for you people or anyone, or for me also, what is happy for me may not be happy, the definition of happy for you. But generally we hear from many people that, so you want to be happy, they want to be happy. Okay, but they are not happy. Okay, they say that, okay, one day I'll reach there. They, for becoming happy, for feeling that happiness, they have these certain conditions, or they have this, so if I achieve this and this, I will be happy. They say that, and they also say that, so one day, someday I will reach there, and someday I will be happy because I have achieved that, or I have reached that position in life. Haven't you heard this? I have heard. And also many people, they complain about their present life, whatever the life they are leading. So they have complaints about anything and everything. So they complain, right? And also they dream of reaching that level someday where they will be finally happy. So do you want to be one of those crowds? Okay, so if that is the case, those people never reach that someday that it is kept on that shelf in their mind, they won't be reaching that. So if you don't want to end up like other people, like the crowd, then you have to step outside your comfort zone. Okay, so yes, why you think whenever someone says that you have to come out of this comfort zone or think outside the box, you think, right, you think, you have these second thoughts. Why? Because it is not easy. Why do you think that, oh, can I do that, is it possible? And you feel scary. Why is that? Because one thing is that you have fear, right? You have fear of unknown, fear of not knowing what is there outside this box. I have this routine, okay, I have routine, and I have this, I'm comfortable in this my comfort zone. I don't know, if I step outside, I don't know what is there. One is fear of unknown, second is fear of failure. If at all I gain some courage and go out, will I be able to achieve that? If I be rejected, if I fail, what happens? Okay, fear of failure and fear of success. So for example, if you have stepped outside the comfort zone and if you get success, but then you start feeling that, oh, will I repeat the same success? That fear is also there. So you have to overcome these fears. So you think, okay, imagine that you have come out of this comfort zone and think, what are the fears you have? Think about the fears. Is it fear of unknown? Then note down, like make it known. If some field is unknown to you, research. Okay, talk to the people who know about that. Okay, so gather the information. Then automatically you know that field, right? Then fear of unknown can be reduced. Fear of failure, if you don't try and try again, you won't succeed, right? So even though you fail sometimes, it's okay. Take that failure as your feedback. Stepping stone, you learn lessons. No failure will go waste. Every effort you put, you will gain something. So fear of failure, fear of success also. So today you succeed, tomorrow you fail, it's okay. You can learn. So you have to make your mind and you have to practice this to overcome these fears, right? Fear of failure, fear of success and all those things. And another second big thing is that obstacles. If I come out of this come out of this comfort zone, so many obstacles may be there. I don't know about that. How to overcome those obstacles? So where there is a will, there is a way. If you decide that you want this, I want to go outside this box, I want to go outside my comfort zone, then whatever it comes, you will be able to tackle that. You will be able to see what are these obstacles and you can overcome these obstacles as well. Okay. So these are the main two things you have to overcome. So step 4 is you have to step outside the comfort zone, and for that, if you come out of this comfort zone, you can face this fear and obstacles. So if you be determined and have this determination, I want to succeed, I have to have and I have to achieve whatever I have in my mind. I have to achieve now, not someday, like many people think. Then you have to work on those things. Write down all the fears you have. Also list all the obstacles you may find. Okay. And sometimes what happens, obstacles are in our mind. It may not be that you really face these obstacles, you know. So when you think of something in your mind, it becomes so big. When you start chartering or start working on that path which is not walked by many people, you have to choose that path. It is different from all the general people crowd. It's your special path. You choose that path and go on that path, and then you will find it will be really fruitful and you will enjoy those whatever challenges. You take those obstacles as your challenges, those fears as challenges. So life will be adventurous, exciting, right? Without anything like bore. If you know, oh, what comes tomorrow, what is there, like 9 to 5 job or whatever. For example, I am not saying this 9 to 5 job would be bore. No. Many people may find this interesting. But just example, you have something, some routine, and after some days you may find that as bore. But you can change that. How? By going outside this comfort zone and facing these challenges like fears and obstacles. Okay. So now what is it you have to do? Now sit down and think. What is your comfort zone? Comfort zone is whatever you are doing always and what you want to achieve. What is it that you want in life? What does make you happy? Do you want to achieve that happiness? You want that happiness? How do you get that? So think about that, and to go there, what all you had to do? You had to go outside your comfort zone. And if you go outside comfort zone, you think about that. Like imagine you are going outside this comfort zone. What are the fears and what are the obstacles? Write down all those things and think. You can take some days, not like today itself, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You have to write and think. You have time. Okay, it's your dream, your goal. So it's everything is yours. Conditions, everything, terms and conditions, everything is yours. Okay then. So I hope you understood this step 4, to step outside the comfort zone, and it's everyone knows this. Where there is a will, there is a way, and money flows easily, freely and from everywhere. Okay then, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great Monday and great week. Today is Monday, remember? Okay. So please share in the comments. Did you do all this step 1, 2, 3? And how are you finding this series? Okay. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.